friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make baby potato roast. A very delicious and spicy side dish recipe that best goes with curd rice, rasam rice and sambar rice. Very easy to make, so let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. Heat a pan. Into this add 1 tablespoon of oil. When the oil is nice and hot, add 2 garlic cloves finely sliced. Saute well for few seconds. Then to this add 1 cup of boiled and peeled baby potatoes. Saute well. Pressure cook for 2 whistles and the boiled baby potatoes should be ready. Saute well for 2 minutes until the outer portion is crispy. It's been 2 minutes and the potatoes are nice and crispy. Now let's go ahead and add the spices. Lower the flame and add 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1/4 teaspoon of chilli powder, 1/4 teaspoon of coriander powder and 1/4 teaspoon of pepper powder. Finally sprinkle some curry leaves and mix it well. Fry for another 1 minute in low flame until the spices are cooked. Now it's all well done, so off the flame and serve it right away with some curd rice or rasam rice and enjoy with your family and friends. Very easy, healthy and a delicious side dish recipe. So do try this baby potato roast recipe at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Hope you like this video, so please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, you can visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. I'll be giving the channel link in the description box. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.